Hey everyone, Kendall here from Watches.com, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the size of a leather watch strap with a deployant clasp. The best part about using a deployant clasp on your watch band is that once you've sized it correctly, you don't have to buckle it every morning, you can just snap it on and you're ready to go. I'm going to start with this one since it's a little bit easier. First you're going to want to push both those pushers to open up the buckle. Then you're going to want to slide this strap in here and just push down so that the strap is held in place. And then that's pretty much it. You can see that on this one the tongue of the strap is underneath, and you won't have to worry about it while you're wearing the watch. On to the next one. To start, you're going to want to open up both sides of the clasp with these two side pushers, and then flip this top piece open so that you can slide the buckle into place here. Make sure that the whole of the strap that peg is visible, and then push it down. Then you're going to click both of these sides back into place, and then on this strap you might need to slide the end into the strap keeper loops. And then you're all set, you're ready to wear it. Thanks so much for watching. For more tips and videos, please subscribe below. And if you like the watches I'm using in this video, this is the Soloscope SQ by Zarek, and this is the Halograph 2 Automatic by Zarek. And we'll put a link in the description for where you can buy these watches and the straps that we put on them on our website.